Hello creator, welcome back again. So quickly I'm going to show you how to design these two icons that belong to the same company, Google. Now okay, the similar thing or the identical thing or identical element between the two, or among the two rather, or with the two, is color. Alright, so now we'll start with this. We can actually create this in 2 or 3 different ways, but I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways. Alright, so the first thing to do is to grab your ellipse tool, hold your control to create an even circle. Alright, so we are going to, for now, just draw it like this. Then come here, draw your 2-point line, then locate the center. This is the center. Hold your shift and draw like this. Alright, so we are going to select everything together like this. Then we'll come here, you type 300, you increase it. Alright, so now let me see, I think it's too close to the top, right? So let's bring it down. Hold the control to get control. Alright, we can make it thicker than this. Let's try 350. Okay. Now the next we do is right click on it, then convert to curve, double click on this. We are going to break apart from here. Right click on this, break apart. Then what we have, the gap we have here, we are going to create it here too. So click here, right click, break apart, then come here, break apart. Finally click this, delete it. Alright, so now we have to shift this backwards, alright, to overlap here. Now we have to take this up a little bit so it can fit here. Alright, so okay, I think it's cool like this. Alright, so now the next I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything together like this. I'll come to object, so I'm going to convert the outline because it's like it's in form of line now, but I want to convert it to objects so we can manipulate further. Alright, come to object, then convert outline to object. Alright, so if you zoom close, you see that this edge is rough, so double click on it. Okay, before we do that, select this, then hold your shift, select this, because there are two different shapes. We have this, give it color, then we have this, so can give it some color too. We want to combine it together, so hold your shift, select this one, then word it. Alright, excuse me. Now we'll grab our 2-point line and create demarcations. Alright, the first demarcation from here to this point, so let's draw this. Alright, now from here to here, this way. Alright, then we'll have another one here. So we'll grab our smart fill object. Now we'll come here, we'll grab this color dropper, pick this, then drop it here. Alright, now the next one is orange. Come here, pick this, excuse me, let's bring this here, let's change this position. Alright, so come here, pick this excuse me, this, drop it here. Alright, come here again, pick the eyedropper, pick this, drop it here, pick this, drop it here. Now you don't need to bother about it because this symbolizes notification, so you don't have to bother about that. So now what's into this, click this one after the other, hold shift, click the green, orange, red, then drag them out. Then let's remove these black substances around, black lines around it by coming here and right click on it. Perfect. Alright, so now the reason why it's in a box like this because it's an icon. So you can create a box like this and put it inside. So let's group everything together like this, then give it, don't wet it, because if you wet everything will have one fill and one color, one fill color and one outline, see. But don't need to, just Ctrl Z, then you can just group it. Alright, so we are done with that. Excuse me. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to work on this. So we're going to hold your control, then come to shape tool, we're going to curve it this way. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, let's increase the pen outline to 5. I think 5 is not obvious. Let's 16. Now control right click on it, then convert to curve. So we're going to come from here, let's double click here, right click on it, break apart, come here, double click on it, break apart. So come here, finally break apart. I'm going to delete this. So this, I'm going to use this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then mirror it, then hold your control and drag it this way. Alright, you may see how to drag it more. So now select the two together, then Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Alright, so we have to Ctrl G it, then mirror vertically, then down like this, like so. You see it now. Alright, so we are going to ungroup everything again, then remove this. We are going to replace this circle and reduce it a little bit. Now we're going to increase it to, let's try 200. Now 200 is too big. Let's try 100. Okay, let's try 80. I think that's perfect. Then now we need to do some manipulation, some measurement. Come here, measure the distance between this and this. Alright, so use this, rotate it by 90 degrees. So that's what I'm going to use here too. So you can see now, so you're going to put this up a little bit. Perfect. So grab your ruler, make sure it's aligned. Perfect. So we have that. Now we'll draw a circle. Let's give it 250. Okay, 250 by 250. Put it here. Now Ctrl D. We have to reduce it like 100 by 100. Perfect. So now it's going to hang here. So an hang here, drag down. So let it hang this way. Excuse me, I may have to increase this a little bit. So let's try 400. No, it's 400, not too much. No, it's too much. Let's try 320 by 320. I think it's too much. 300 is okay. 300 by 300. Alright. We may have to take this up a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to give this blue. So we're going to convert all this because I see in line format. So I'm going to convert all the lines to object. So come here, select them one after the other, order shift, select this, select that. Then come to object, you see convert outline to object. Alright, so convert, click this, give it red. Excuse me. Give it red, give this orange. Alright, then give this blue. Then give this green. So control everything like this, and so we have to increase this more. Let's give it let's see, let's give it 200 by 200. No, it's too much. Let's try 150 by 150. I think it's too much. It's too much. Okay, let's try 120 by 120. I could just increase it a little bit, like so. Perfect. I could just take it a little bit like this. so you have your icon. So stop here for now. Thank you.